In this tutorial, we will step by step introduce how to create a dependent drop-down list that displays choices depending on the values selected in the first drop-down list. In other words, we will make an actual data validation list based on the value of another list. Firstly, type the entries you want to appear in the drop-down list, each list in a column separately. Then create tables for each data list. Select column and range. Insert table. My table has headers. Then OK. View all tables and reference to ranges in Name Manager. To see, press Ctrl plus F3. In this step, you need to create names for the main list and each dependent list. First, select the items that appear in the main list, then go to the name box, which besides formula bar. Type the name into it. Repeat this step for each column. Now you can view all range name in Name Manager. Press Ctrl F3 to open it. Next, add the main drop-down list product, which is a normal data validation drop-down list. Select a cell and type the first column header product and move the next cell and type the item. Then select these two headers and create a table. Select the first cell and create a drop-down list. This is a normal drop-down list. In the source, write product. Okay. Then in item, write data validation list, and source, in source, write indirect and select product. Okay. Now your dynamic dependent list is ready.